Seh we great, Seh we great. Teach you with some of them, make them learn how to clearly babe.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Since the release of the track and music video titled Static, not to mention since this year's staging of the New Rules Festival, everybody in Dancehall has been waiting and anticipating the release of Alkaline's next track. Now that next song, where everybody await upon, was released yesterday in the form of Seh We Great. All me can say, in this song, Alkaline go back to basic and school everybody. And this track is a true reflection of why Alkaline is one of the greatest doing dancehall music right now. In this report, we are going to talk about a few things that was said in the song, and also the build up towards this song, because remember, there is nothing with Alkaline do that is random. Everything is always calculated in order to get a desired outcome. But before me get into all of the details, may I ask you for one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also, click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. If you are not new, then leave a like and leave a comment in the comment section. So we all get straight tonight right now. Before we even talk about the build up towards this song, let's talk about some things when I'm saying at the song first. The first thing that caught my attention was when him said, teach the youths and show them the way and make we elevate. Alkaline is a true reflection of somebody who believe in themselves. Somebody who just feel like, say, yo, watch out, me can fly and I must fly. And not only that, them man they have brains. So the things them when him do, in pattern them when he use coming at the music industry and rise to the top. Him not necessarily have to come out and say, me do this and me do that. But if you as a new artist coming up can just sit back and backtrack and look at everything what Alkaline do, then you're supposed to learn something and it will definitely help you going forward. So that's what I mean when I say, yo, teach the youth them and make them elevate. It no mean say him literally tell us to do this. Him already do it, so all you need to do is just look and follow. And next thing him saying at the song, you live and you learn, stay from scandalous. Alkaline is one of the most antisocial person in the music industry right now. Them man they hardly post. Them man they hardly interact. Anytime you see them man they post, just know say something is coming. It is because of something. Them man they need to follow nobody. Them man they maybe look after this everything pan him IG page archive as so Alkaline role. So when him said that, him just say, yo, him use that and stay from scandalous. You have some artists, as a man call them name, then run go answer, whether the man is an artist or not. For example, a random man make a comment and say, Alkaline no good. You have some artists in a comment section and tell man about them mother, or them a repost and a reshare and I say this and I say that. Alkaline in that. Him stay from scandalous. No matter how him name a call up in the media, him just sit back so and watch what I go on and say, go and do nothing. More song forward. I saw them man the role. And next part I him say, yo, have to fulfill him purpose. And me feel like say this really resonate with me. And enough people need to understand say in this life you have a purpose to fulfill. Them always say you don't know what your purpose is or you don't know what your destiny is, but I believe even if you don't know, you have an opportunity to try and shape your destiny based on things where you do. And that's why Alkaline tell you say, him have to fulfill him purpose. No matter what it take him purpose, have to fulfill. Him go back and him say, I worries if them see him full potential. Remember, you know, the man did do a song and say, yo, him not even reach him peak yet and everybody a ball, you know. Now him a say, yo, suppose them see me full potential. If everybody a say, yo, Alkaline are the man, Alkaline they are the top. Alkaline fly past Vice Cartel, fly past Beanie Man. Alkaline a keep him on show, New Rules Festival and everything. Alkaline a do great and mash up this one, mash up this one. The man a say, brother, that are my full potential. If everybody are gone so, and if the haters them, not even say the people them where I show him the love and the respect, you know, the haters them we are try to tear him down. Him a try to say then supposed to see him fullest potential. Him even go as far again and I say, yo, then what would happen if him fix up him mental? Because we know how this mental thing go. in a every single sport, every single thing you do. Your mental half is strong. And the man I say, yo, right now my mental not even the way it's supposed to. Then suppose me if you fix up my mental. Then nobody in a dancehall now can talk to me. The man do a song and the man say, yo, little after this, them not even can pay him for perform. And me I tell you, it is going to reach that level very soon based on the trajectory where Alkaline depend. The biggest part of the song, the biggest phrase, the biggest line that me hold on to the most is one part where him say, blind man never look yet, but he still finding key. And some man I say them can't. Hey, anybody listen to that song there, the part they supposed to touch them. We know enough blind people. Them go out and them come in. And if them put on them key on a one little black, if them put on them key on a the flowers pot, them a go right at them yard gate, pull them grill, and go in go take up them key and go in at them house. Now Alkaline say if a blind man will never see yet can do that, you will have your two eye, your 2 foot, your 2 hand them and can work young and strong. And you go say yo you can't do it. In basically I say brother, something wrong with you. You need to take a step, take a stand, and make the best of your life. That's what the man basically has said this. And me I tell you, the track overall, we feel like it could have mixed better because sometimes I struggle for hear him. I say it's like the rhythm higher than him voice and stuff like that. But overall, the things them when him say in the track is something we're worth listening. And would advise everybody we are tuning into this report. When you finish, just go over in Vivo and listen to the song. And then you can come back and make a comment. Anyway, outside of what was said in the track, there were some things surrounding the build up towards this track. Alkaline posted a picture in a full suit of Lacoste, and that brand, the logo, is a crocodile. Now, as I said, every single thing Alkaline do is calculated. Nothing is ever random. Alkaline is not the man where I could just define IG a post or a share or a comment. And in recent weeks, especially since New Rules Festival, and him see where everybody has said, and everybody a boots up this war with him a massacre, Alkaline make a few posts on Instagram, and as I said, one of the posts was a picture in the Lacoste brand, and the logo is a crocodile. He sent everybody into frenzy, everybody, including me, did that talk about it, and I say, yo, and this track is coming, because if Massacre is a crocodile and you post a picture in a crocodile suit, then definitely you're sending out a message. But that was just the controversy where Alkaline build up towards the release of this track. In the cover photo for this track, if you notice, it was a picture that was taken in that same suit, the same Lacoste suit with the crocodile. So it him use as the cover photo or the thumbnail or whatever you want to call it for the song. And that just show me say a music video is coming soon, because I saw them man they do them thing. Drop a song now, whenever the song start dead out, him just drop a video and build up back the hype. So you don't know, double sense, double money, double thinking, double brain. Them man they have sense, and I just saw them man they got to work. Now everybody else I say yo, uno boost up the war between him and Massacre and this and that. Let me tell you this. Rivalry is good in everything. Every sport where you have. If you don't have a rival, then in most cases you don't get the best out of yourself or the best out of your team. You and a man can be the best of friends, but anytime you go out there to compete, you are no friends until the game done, until the race done, until the song done, or whatever. So in dancehall, when them say clash, mash up dancehall and this and that, madness on attack. It is good for the industry. It build dancehall and it not supposed to stop now. Anyway, me not have nothing more to say as it regards to this track and as it regards to Alkaline. So all me ask you if you do, leave down below in the comment section if you feel like this was a good song, and you can also tell me which line in the song resonate with you the most, and also go over in Vivo and check out the song and then make me know what is what. Bless up.